One of the companies was a SKYDROID, and this is the drone that they are kind of using for like some specific shipping. The MX980, it's a drone that it's designed for shipping different products. So the interesting thing of this drone is that it comes with this box that you can close it and open. You can put whatever things you need from here, and then you close it, and the drone will take it to another base. The drone will go from one base to the other base. It's the solar power panel base. So the drone will launch pad from this one, and it will go directly. So even you can control it with a joystick. You don't need to control it if it's going to one base to the other base, because it will set already on the flying program of the drone. So the drone can actually host up to 10 kilo products there. It has like a sensor control over there, but it also has like a 2K camera just for safety and control. And then you can put all the propellers back in its place. So as you can see, it goes really, really small, and it's only 3.6 kilos. That's how the drone is fully packed with the propellers already folded.